Let's in the meantime move on and talk about the markets here, because it's Friday and the markets have now opened. And now what we are looking at, that there seems to be a sigh of relief as far as the markets that have now opened in the green. The Sensex is up around 500 points, and the Sensex that seems to be trading above the 77,000 mark, and that seems to be the Asian markets, however, has also signaled a positive start. So Sensex and Nifty may rebound after the previous session's decline, and this positive indication for the Indian markets is now coming after Sensex and Nifty had snapped their 5-day gaining streak in the previous session. So as far as the markets is concerned, we are looking at on a positive note that the markets have now opened in the green, and they have been tracking the firm cues from GIFT Nifty and gains across the Asian markets. However, Ashesha, good morning. The investors remain cautious and fragile over the geopolitical situation and the backdrop that seems to be happening in West Asia.
Power board आणून इथे चार्जिंगला लावा.
Ashesha, can you hear me? All right. Well, that seems to be the figures there, what we are looking at as far as the alert coming in from the markets, which have now opened this Friday morning. We are now looking at the markets that have now hit in the green. And this seems to be a significant development that has now happened, because GIFT Nifty, which was trading around 23,919, is up by 35 points or by 0.15%, which is indicating a mildly higher start for the benchmark indices. And the positive indication also comes after domestic markets snapped their 5-day gaining streak in the previous session. Well, that seems to be the Asian markets that were also trading higher in early deals that seems to be supporting this very sentiment of the ceasefire that seems to be for now in place in West Asia. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.